Ever wondered why managing business data often feels like trying to control a wild beast? It's because data management is a complex maze. Businesses grapple with massive volumes of data, struggling to extract meaningful insights. The risk of data breaches looms large, threatening the security of sensitive information. Imagine a haystack of data, and you're looking for that one golden needle. It's a tough task, but what if there was a way to tame this beast? Enter Nowasys, a leader in cloud data engineering solutions. Imagine a world where data management morphs from a daunting chore into a streamlined process. That's what Nowasys delivers. With a focus on enhancing data security, businesses can breathe easy knowing their information is safe. But it's not just about protection. Nowasys' solutions also unlock the potential of your data, allowing you to extract valuable insights that can drive your business forward. With Nowasys, managing data becomes less of a beast and more of a loyal companion. So what does taming the data beast with Nowasys look like for your business? Imagine a world where data management isn't a chore, but a breeze. A world where you save precious time, cutting costs along the way. Nowasys' solutions make that world a reality, offering tools that streamline your processes and empower you with data-driven insights. Decisions become clearer, smarter, and more informed. It's not just about managing data, it's about mastering it. Nowasys isn't just a solution, it's a game changer. Still not convinced? Let's hear from those who've already tamed their data beasts. Companies from diverse sectors, like e-commerce giant Shopwell, who streamline their data processes, optimizing customer experience like never before. Or nonprofit Greenleaf, who used Nowasys to manage their data, leading to significant increases in fundraising efficiency. These success stories are testament to the transformative power of Nowasys. Ready to tame your data beast with Nowasys? The journey starts here.